Ever wish you could be the guy she thinks about all day? The one who's not just on her radar, but constantly on her mind. Making a girl crazy for you isn't about tricks or games, it's about understanding, attraction on a deeper level. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into what really makes a woman fall hard for you. Start with the basics. Confidence. Every woman is naturally drawn to a man who knows his worth. Confidence isn't about being cocky. It's about being self-assured and comfortable in your own skin. Build confidence. Focus on 1. Embracing your strengths. 2. Improving areas you feel insecure about. 3. Maintaining open and relaxed body language. Here's a secret. Women fall for how you make them feel. Emotional intelligence is your ability to understand and connect with her emotions, and it's a game changer. Here's how you can develop emotional intelligence. 1. Listen actively, don't interrupt or offer solutions unless she asks. 2. Show empathy, acknowledge her feelings without judgment. 3. Pay attention to her nonverbal cues, like her tone or body language. Want to keep her thinking about you? Don't give everything away at once. Women are naturally drawn to men who have a sense of mystery about them. Here's how to be mysterious. 1. Don't overshare, let her discover things about you gradually. 2. Pursue your passions and maintain your own life outside of her. 3. Be unpredictable in thoughtful ways, like surprising her with a spontaneous outing. Laughter is one of the quickest ways to win her heart. A great sense of humor shows you're fun, confident, and approachable. Don't force jokes. Instead, focus on being playful and genuine. Shared laughter creates unforgettable moments, and it's one of the easiest ways to stand out. Ambition is incredibly attractive. Women admire men who have a clear vision for their future and are actively working toward their goals. When you share your dreams and take action to achieve them, it signals stability and passion qualities that make you irresistible. Above all, be yourself. Pretending to be someone you're not might work temporarily, but it's not sustainable. Women are drawn to authenticity. Share your true thoughts, express your feelings, and don't be afraid to show vulnerability. Authenticity builds trust and makes you unforgettable. Finally, pay attention to the little things. Women notice the details that most men overlook, and it's those small gestures that leave a lasting impression. By showing thoughtfulness and care, you'll make her feel special and valued, which is ultimately what every woman wants. So there you have it, the keys to making a girl crazy for you. Confidence, emotional intelligence, mystery, humor, ambition, authenticity, and attention to detail. Master these and you won't just catch her attention, you'll keep it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who could use these tips.